Dear student, today we are going to discuss another important topic regarding web client and website and web page and web browser. I hope the topic that we have been discussed in our previous class all clear to all of you. Now we proceed further with a very important topic and most important thing from this chapter, from this unit. 1 marks questions always come in your board examination, so always make up your mind that prepare from the very first day, okay, for the examination, and listen it very carefully. Web client, the very first topic is web client. Web browser is an example of a web client, the remote machine containing the document requested is called a web server. The client and server communication using a special language, a protocol called HTTP. Okay, so we can say that web client is an example of web browser. Okay, now here is an diagram. With diagram I explained it to you. I hope that it is clear to you that in this there is a diagram, there is a connection of web thin client, and it is the LAN connection with browser. LAN stands for local area network, and now it is connected via WAN. WAN means to say wide area network, and what is the example of WAN is internet. Internet, what is the abbreviation of internet? It is international network. Now it is another connection with web thin client WAN. Okay, now it is the connectivity of web thin client. Now I explain with this client server model also, in which we discuss the web server client, the server which is connected with smartphone, PC stands for personal computer, and with laptop. So they are the devices. With these devices the client server model is connected. Okay, here it is server, and all these three are considered as a client. Okay, so in now another topic is website. It is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published at least one web server. The websites are typically identified dedicated to a particular topic or purpose, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, or social networking. What is the full form of news? North, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, साउथ. तो वेबसाइट का जो पर्पस होता है वो ये पर्पस होता है एक पर्टिकुलर पर्पस को पूरा करने के लिए. जिस तरह से मान लीजिए हमने कोई वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन करी है तो उसका एक पर्पस होता है. पर्पस फॉर सीइंग द न्यूज़, ऑनलाइन न्यूज़, एडिटोरियल and education purpose, or for entertainment purpose, or social networking. What is the example of social networking? That is very common example, we all are using it right now, that is WhatsApp, Facebook. These both are the example of social networking sites. और इसके अलावा अगर आप एजुकेशन की बात करें तो बहुत सारी एजुकेशंस वेबसाइट्स होती हैं जिनसे हम कनेक्ट होते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेबसाइट्स. और एजुकेशन जितनी भी वेबसाइट्स होते हैं उनके डोमेन एक्सटेंशन जो होता है वो होता है .edu. ओके, और कॉमर्स मीन टू से e-commerce like flipkart.com and another websites are be there. Now there is another topic, that is web page. A web page is a specific collection of information provided by a website and displayed to a user in a web browser. A website typically consists of many web pages linked together in a coherent fashion. The name web page is a metaphor of paper pages bound together into a book. तो वेब पेजेस क्या होते हैं? वेब पेजेस जो होते हैं एक तरीके से जैसे आपके बुक में पेजेस होते हैं और उनको बाउंड करके हम एक बुक बनाते हैं, उसी तरीके से बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस कनेक्ट करके आपस में कोरिलेट वेब पेजेस कनेक्ट करके और उनसे हम एक वेबसाइट तैयार करते हैं, दैट इज़ द वेब पेज. ओके, it is in form of soft copy. Web browser. What is web browser? A web browser, commonly referred in as a browser, is a software application for accessing information on the world wide web. When a user requests a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the resulting web page on the user